All right, we're going to build a new skill, and we're going to learn how to represent large numbers in expanded form using powers of 10. Now, you're probably used to breaking numbers like this apart into their respective place value, so that this 3 here actually represents the number 30 million. And the 4 here represents the number 4 million. And we can add those two together to get 34 million. And of course, you would continue working through the number like that. So 30 million plus 4 million, the 8 plus 800,000 plus 60,000 plus, here's the one where you have to be careful. We do not have to put in the 0,000s. Just leave that blank and you jump right over to the 1. So plus 100 plus 90 plus 5. And that's called our expanded form. So again, with the expanded form, we're looking at the place value of each digit in the number, and we're matching it up with its value. So 3 actually represents 30 million. The 6 over here actually represents 60,000. We don't have to put anything in for this 0. Okay, we don't put in 0,000s or anything like that. We jump right to the 100. And of course, we finish off by adding 90 and 5. Now there's a new way to look at this that we're going to take a look at on the next slide. So if we think of this number 30 million, well, we can break it down to something like 3 times 10 million. Now let's look at that number 10 million and let's see if we can notice a pattern. So when we have 10 times 10, we know that's 100. 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 1,000. And if we kept going, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, we would get 10,000. And you've probably had some experience with multiplying by tens already, so that you know that when you're multiplying by tens, you can count the number of tens, and that's going to be equal to the number of zeros. What you may not have seen before is that there's a way to represent that. When we've got 10,000, we can represent it as 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. But there's a faster way and an easier way to represent this 10 times 10 times 10. And to do it, we use exponents. Now, we use exponents when we want to say a number is multiplied by itself a certain number of times. So in this case, we have 10 once, twice, 3, 4 times. So we could represent the number 10,000 as 10 to the power of 4. It's equal to 10, or it's equal to 1 with 4 zeros behind it. Now, the same holds true for other numbers. If we had 2 to the power of 2, that would be equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Or 3 to the third power is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 9 times 3, which is equal to 27. Already you might be able to see the usefulness of this, because all we need to do is look at the number in the exponent. That tells us how many times 10 is being multiplied by itself, which also tells us how many zeros will be in the product. So what does that mean for our number 30 million? Well, we already know that it's 3 times 10 million, but that's 7 zeros to write. Well, we can use that 7 zeros to change this into a number with a base 10 format. So we have 3 times 10 to the 7th power. And of course that means 3 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. But that's a real pain to write. It's so much easier to write 3 times 10 to the 7th power. So how do we take our number 34,860,195 and represent it with this base 10 expanded form? It's fairly simple. We can apply the same ideas. So this 3 represents 30 million, which we know is equal to 3 times 10 to the 7th power. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places after the 3. So that is 3 times 10 to the 7. And to show the whole number in expanded form, we simply do 3 times 10 to the 7 plus 4 times 10 to the 6 plus 8 times 10 to the 5 plus 6 times 10 to the 4 plus 1 times 10 to the 2 plus 9 times 10 plus 5. And there it is, written out a little bit neater for those of you who don't like my handwriting. One more thing that you should recognize here is that the rules of bedmass do apply. So if we're going to put this number back together, we would do all the multiplication steps before doing the adding. And that would take us back to the 30 million plus 4 million plus 800,000 plus 60,000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 5. And then, of course, we could put it all back together as 34,860,195. And so that's your base 10 expanded form.